how to fix this error, failed to load library EVR.dll in Roblox. Open up the browser on your PC and just search for DLL-files, and you want to click on this first website here. Now search for that specific file, so EVR.dll, and you just want to click on search or press enter. You will find it here, Enhanced Video Renderer. Click on it, and now you just want to go to the latest version, which is going to be this one, and select download. It's going to begin downloading in a few seconds. So right here, it's going to download it, okay, and you want to click on this folder icon. All right, so now right here, if you click on it, I'm just going to close this, you can go and copy this file. So we're going to right click, and actually we're going to go and extract to. So just select this file, extract to. You want to go C drive, then you want to find Windows, click on it to expand it here. Then you want to find System32, again expand it, and you will just click on OK. So just like that, click on OK. It's going to extract the file. Here you will see different DLL files. So this is where your DLL files are going to be located, and that way you will no longer get this issue. Hope this video helps you out. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.